Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In the last session, the last series we have discussed about how to create the table. We'll see some more details. Let me start without wasting our time. Please go to this video before starting this video because it is interrelated with this each and every slide or recorded video. So let us show me that video I have created with the table creation. You can follow this, the first one, the video which has been created. So let me open this. You can follow this video first before seeing this, the second video, what I'm creating now. So we can see this, the form which I have here. So, right. And let me show you, today we'll discuss about, this is the form. Like, let me show you that form. Right, this is the form. In the last video I have created with the color, category, subcategory, service catalog, configuration items, short description, right? So this is I have taken from the incident table the fields which are there here, right? So let me open this incident table first. So this is the form. This is one part. Today I will take with the second part, and we can able to combine this incident in the later sessions. So first, let me open this incident table with this company record of this incident table. So as of now, we have created like color category, subcategory, service catalog, configuration item, short description, right? So we will discuss about this number, how to create this number, and this state, impact, and urgency. And uh, when you select this, right? So this state is coming from, like, we have different fields: new, in progress, on hold, reserved, post, transfer. And this impact and urgency, we have three options: high, medium, and low. And as well as its urgency, we have high, medium, and low, three options. So whenever you are selecting this high and this is high, in the priority field it is getting as critical. So we will create this impact and urgency, how to populate using data lookup rules. So and here we have, when you select this one, right, medium, and this is low, so it is automatically populating with low, right? So we'll discuss about this number and the state, impact, urgency, and priority. So let us create without wasting our time. So let me create the tables. Here we can go with system definitions and create a table. So I'll show you one thing, and before that, meanwhile, let me open my this, right. As I said, right here in this incident record, the impact and urgency, based on these values, we are automatically populating this priority. So for that, I have created this impact, urgency, priority, right? So if it is high, impact is high, urgency is high, we need to populate the priority as one critical. If it is high, medium, and the priority is high, like this, it is populating the values with the priority based on this impact and urgency. Let me create this now. First, go to your tables. Let me create with a new table. Table name is label you can give. and then take application can give for this save as this one. So first I need to create with this three columns like impact, urgency, and priority. Right. So first we need to create three columns. Let me create. So before that, I need to show you how to create the number, this number in state. Let me create with this, and here when you want to create anything, right? First, go to your form, show form here. So whenever you have created this table, right, you don't have any other. Again, go back. So first, I want to create the number. The number is here. Go to controls. Here, you can click on auto number checkbox. So here, in this incident table, we have a INC with 7 digits, right? So INC, we have prefix is 3. So after that, we have 7 digits. In the same way, we can be able to create this where is a prefix with the 3 letters. The number of digits are 7, and this we can give as 1 lakh 3 only, right? And then save. This is creation of a number field. Let me show you this point. So number has been created, right? So in the same way, we can create with the state. So we can create with all this in the single form, but as per easiest way of creating with a different table with a different part. So instead of creating in the one layer, once you have created part one and part two, you can able to combine all this in the one form, right? So the second part I'm creating. In the previous video, we have created like this, right? So short is in the same way here we can create what is the next one, the incident table, right? Channel is kind of things you can add the drop down list of things, right? So first I want to get the image using state these things from for this incident table, right? So I want to get these values from the incident table, so we can create the image as per our table. So go back to them. Here create with the new column. The column name is, you can select the type is choice, and the column label is state. Click on the page, so it is automatic creating column name underscore state, and save it once. Once you save it, what happens is I want to get the image from this incident table in this state, right? State in progress, on hold, resolved, closed, and cancelled. So go here, go down. Here we use choice list specification, right? So here click on this choice table. I want to get the image from the incident table. Just type the incident table, I want to get the field. The field is the state, right? So click on the state. This one. Save this. So once you save it, you can able to see we have got two. The first one is number, and second one is state. Right? Go back here. Let me open this form to plus show form here. Let me show this first. So we got new in progress, on hold, resolved, either cancelled, right? So whenever you are opening this form, it is automatically creating with 7 digits, right? These are the 7 digits. like this, right? So we got this number and state. Now the next one is I have to create this impact, urgency, priority. So whenever you are selecting this impact, urgency, based on these values, it has to populate as priority based on this, right here. So how it is getting, so it is populating. So we need to configure this. So let me go to your table, this more than data, go back. I need to create with three column names first. Go back here, create a column names with first one is impact. So I have written these labels, these column names, impact, urgency with priority, the values. So what I do is just remember here I need to create type is choice, right? So whenever creating this is as a choice, select choice, the column name is, what is the first column now here? This is impact, right? Impact, create with impact, impact. Click on this outside. It is automatically creating the backend value and save it once. Once you save it, we can add these values for this label, this column, right? So I want to add for this impact, I want to add high, medium, and low, right? So first add this choice values here. Go to your below choices, click on the new button. For this, I can create the choices values. So what I do is just I'm copying this. I click on here. I value. Here I want to give the 100 sequence. Save this. Again go back once, or you can use insert and stay, but I'm using back and I want to check how it is created. I value is created. Next the second one is in the same way we can create I is over medium. This is medium. Give the number as 200. Go back and we got high and medium. And the next one is give the number as the label as low. The last one, is low with the three. This one we can give here, here. Give the sequences. So we have created with this impact choices. Now go back again. Let me show this form whether it has been hitting the choices or not. Once we can create with the urgency as well. So let me go to your form. Okay. This form. Sorry. Layout we'll see later. The form. You can see the form. Form. So we got impact with high, medium, and low. The next ones I want to create with the urgency, right? So for this I want to create with a new column urgency. Urgency create the columns with new here. Now create with type is choices. Choice. This is urgency. And go down and once you save it, we can see we can able to enter the choices. Right. Go down here, we can add the choices. We can click on the new button. There we can add with this one, right? Urgency with high, medium, and low. Three values you can add the choices over there. So first what in creative, it is this one high, high. Give the sequence as 100. Save it. Save it. Go back and see whether it has been created or not. Now we have created with high. The same way we can create with the medium and low. So Let me open this, the medium, also copy and paste it here, medium. View the sequence as 100. Let me save this. Let me save and go back. And high medium has been created. Create with the new choices with the low. Choices here, take it as urgency, copy and paste, and here you can give the 300 as sequence. Save it, go back. So go back again. We can see the table, the show form, how it has been created. Go down here. This show form, we can click how it has been created. We can see the impact have three values, urgency have three values. In the same way, I want to create with the priority. The column name is field, right? Go back again. The priority value. Click on the columns with the new one. This is also choice. Choice. Here we can give priority. The priority is this one. You can add this column label. Save it once. Save it once. And let me check this. Choices here. This one, what we have created priority, right? So priority we can see this one. Now we can add the values into that using choices. Click on these choices with new button and to add these values. The first one is critical. I can add here. Can add this. Give the sequence as 100. The next one has been saved. The next one is the second value is high. This one I want to create high. Click on the choices, the new button. This one I want to create with high. Give the sequence number as 200. We can use save here and next one is third one. This is moderate. Here we can go copy and paste. Third one. Here we can use insert and stay. This is save as and okay. Maybe let me check the sequence number what we have created here. 200 is there, so we can second one is 200. Moderate should come 300. Yeah, let's give it 100, 200, 300, and 400 we need to get. The next one is third one is over. Fourth one is low. Here we can do low. Fourth one is 400. Save it. And the last one is fifth one is planning. We can use this planning. And let me check this all the values have been created or not. We go back again, change the choices, priority choices. Anything is missing. 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing, just click on this fourth value, right? So fourth value is lower. Copy and paste this one. This is 400. Let me check this again. See, there is, we have one bottom layer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now go to your form. We check some of the values have been fitting here. Click on the show form. Here, as I said, impact 3 values, urgency 3 values, priority all these values. Okay? So whenever we have selected this impact with high and urgency high, we need to populate as vector based on this priority, right? So now we can able to create, right? So now go to your go back here. This is, remember, this is the table for then take app. Let's discard this one. Right. So now I'm removing this only. I'm removing this and let me create with other table and go to your tables. Click on the tables. Now I want to create with the priority other table. I want to match with other table. So first create with new. So the thing is here, this is the main thing we need to remember here. Over here, I'm getting a lookup table. Then Vardhan look Vardhan lookup, right? So remember here, this is the first table what I have created, right? Vardhan take up. This is the table first I have created with 3 columns. I have given like here this one, right? So this is the first table. In the same way, I need to create with the second table with Vardhan lookup table. So the extension of this table is this one. You need to add this extension extended tables, that is data lookup matcher rules. This one add. I want to create a module and save it. Remember this data lookup matcher rules. We need to extend the table based on this Vardhan lookup table. Right? So here it has been created. And go down. Here create with new columns. The column name is again the same thing. Let me create choice. The column name is impact. Save it. Add these choices. The choices are first one, I, this one, 100, this one. So we have created No need to create here because we have already created. Go to our choice list specification. Here we can able to select the choice table. What is the choice table we have created? This one, right? So Vardhan Tech app. So in this we can select the table Vardhan Tech, this one without H. Vardhan, this one we can take. The choice field is the first one what we have created, impact. We can select this as impact. So I'm getting the image from this table what we have, no need to create again. So I'm getting this, the values impact, urgency, priority, like impact and urgency from this table image here, right? So let me save this. The same way I can be able to create urgency as well, this one. So I can take the image from this table. In this, right? So impact is completed. Go back. Let's create with a new, create with a new column. Here select with choice table. The column name is, second one is urgency. Urgency. Click on the right side. The backend value will be created. And we can select the choice list specification from this. So once we save it, here we can select with Vardhan Tech app. Vardhan Tech app, the choices, the second choice field is the second one. This is urgency. We need to select urgency. Same table. I'm taking the image, the first table what we have created here, right? This one. So I'm taking the image with data lookup, and second table, this is the data lookup table. I'm taking the images of this one, this table. So let me create with the priority. The priority is, just click on the new button. Again select with choice. Create with the priority. This priority. Here, paste it and save it once. Once you save it, we need to take the image from this, the first what we have created, this table, or then take care. So in the priority, go to your choice list specification here we can select with the what then take care table, or then this one, or then take care table, and the choice field is 4. Save it. Right. So this is the what then take cap is a source table, and data lookup is a second table. We'll see how to define this. Then lookup is second table. Remember. So I'm going back. This is a. Let me open this again. The tables. I'm closing this. I'm closing this. Tables. Click on the tables. Tables. First open this. What then take a table. This is the first table we have created with all the field names, right? Column names. Adjacent priority is the first table. And the second table is lookup table. Click on this table. So the first table is what then take up. Second table is what then lookup table. So here again we need to use the data lookup rules. Like we need to define the rules. So for this, go to your navigator. Just search with lookup. Here we can see These are the definitions. See in the system policy, we have a data lookup definition. Click on this. Here, create with the new. When you click a data lookup definitions, create with the new, and just click on data lookup rule. You need to define the rules for this. So, give the name Vardhan lookup, lookup rules. Give some name here. So, here the source table is, we need to select with the first table what we have created. The first table is Vardhan Tech App. Just select this here. Vardhan Tech App. This is the first table. The matcher table, what we have created, the second table, right? With the data lookup matcher rules. This is second table. So here we can create, here we can select that table, matcher table. Vardhan lookup without H, right? This one, Vardhan lookup. This one. Click on this, run on update, select this and save it. Once you save it, we do have two tabs like match field definitions, setup field definitions here. So I want to match with column name. So click on this match field definitions, right? Click on this new button. We need to match with the field name. So that's why, and we need to set the field names. So click on this match field, this definition. Click on this new. Here select the source table name. The source table name is Vardhan Tech App, right? Here source table field, Vardhan Tech, under that Vardhan Tech App, and I have to match with the source and target field names. First, what we have is impact. Select this impact. Here in the matcher table field is also impact, and exact lookup match. Select this and save it. In the same way, we need to create with other thing. The second one, impact is completed, and the urgency we need to create. So here, after saving, and create with urgency, source table field, and the target, the matcher table field, urgency. Select this exact lookup match. Select this one and submit and save. Go back again. So we have matched with the source table name and matcher field name. Here, when you see this, right, only urgency has been created, right? So again, once you say that, so urgency is created. We need to create with the impact as well. Just click on this new button. Okay. It has been created. Let's check this. It has been created urgency, right? We need to create with impact. Then next one, impact, right? So click on this new button. Select the impact field here, this one, and also impact this one. Exact lookup maps like this and save. Once you save it, we need to see the two impact and urgency here, two things, and setter field we need to set. Click on the new button here, select with the priority, the setter field priority, and match a table field also priority, the priority, always replace. Click on this checkbox, save it. Let me check the priority. So in the matcher field definitions, it has been created urgency and impact. In the setter field definitions, it has been created with priority, right? So we have mapped with source table and matcher table. Now go to your this table and we need to match the field names, right? Here in the second table, Vardhan lookup table, go down here. You can able to see This is the show list. Right? Click on this show list. Click on the new button. Click on the new button, right? So here we need to map. The first one is impact, urgency, and priority. So first take this in high, and should be critical. So here go here. It should be impact is high, urgency is high, and we can select as this one is critical, right? So click on the critical. Save it. First one is completed, and the second one, this one, I'm highlighting this. This is second one. Second one. So high, medium, high. The second one, high, medium, high. Yes, save. Second one also completed. We have the third one, right? This one. High, low, moderate. High, low, moderate. Save. And the next one, medium, high, high. This one. Select this one, medium. This is medium, high, and should get high. Save it. And the next one, medium, medium, moderate. This one. Medium. This is medium and moderate. Save it. And the next one, we have medium, low, low. Here medium is already there, medium, low, and this is low. Save it again. And the next one, low, high, moderate. Low, high, moderate. This is low, high. This is moderate. Save it. Right, next one, low, medium, low. Low, medium. This is low. Save it. And this one, last one is low, low, planning. Here, low, low, planning. Save it. That's it. Now go back. You can see the first table here. Then take care. Go to your form here. The form, show form here. Let me see whether it has been populating the values or not. First one is impact is high, urgency high, changes. First one high, high, and low, medium. Let me check this. Refresh this once again. Let me cancel this. Let me open vector tables. Let me check. This is report and go to tables. Tables. So let me close all this. And so this the tables. Then get tab. Go down here. Show form. Let me check it is working fine now. Mm, I now has to calculate one. Let me see this lookup table. Mhm. Or then lookup and let us see this. Let me check this the form. Let's show form. And then GitHub. Now calculated. Password height. Second one here. It should be calculate right. So we do a printing mistake we have that. What definitions? The layout features. Other is there. We have defined this as okay, see this. Impact agency and priority. So only one has been read. Let me check this impact urgency 3 low. We're getting nano. Let me check this impact and urgency. This with this table. The table is so only one has been created. Maybe it was server, maybe forward. Let me check this. So it has been created with this, the values which are there here, right? So here we can select this. It has been created with impact is low, urgency low, mitigate as planning. So here let me check this. Impact is low, urgency is low, we are getting planning. So it has been not created. Create with other things. I am creating it right now. Let me create with other values. So here first go to your lookup table here. So create with new lookup. Only low planning has been created. This one has been created. Just enter low planning. So create with other things. Let me create with the new. So impact is high, urgency is high, and it critical. This one. Submit. Again show list. Not this. Here show list here. Show list. Lookup table we need to see this one. Lookup. Here click on this show list. So two has been created. Click on this. The second one we need to create. This one has been created. We need to create with the high, medium, high. So what is high, medium, high? Let's submit. Again next one. Next one is high, low, moderate. High, low, and moderate. Submit again. The next one, medium, high, high. Medium, high, high. Submit again. Medium, moderate. Medium, moderate. Submit again. Next one, medium, low, low. Medium, low, low. So click on this medium, low, and low. Submit. Next one, low, high, moderate. This one is low, high, moderate. Submit again. Where low, medium, low. This is low, medium, low. Submit. We got the values. Now just reload this, the form. Let me check this. Already we got state field values, right? So let me check with impact high, urgency is high, and integrate critical, right? Here this one, let me try this. Impact is high, urgency high, and integrate critical. Next, the impact is high, and urgency is medium. You need to get as high, right? The second one, the fifth line. In the same way, high, low, moderate. We check high, low, moderate. Automatically it has populated. Next one, medium, high, high, medium, high, high. Automatically populated, right? Mm, Next one, medium, medium, moderate, medium, medium, moderate. It has to be populated. Next one, medium, low, low, medium, low, low. Correct. Low, high, moderate. This one low, high, we need to populate as moderate. Let's do low, medium, low, low, medium, low. We got this, right? The last one already got low, low. Planning is already we have populated. Low, low, planning. This one. In this way, we can create this uh, data lookups. How it is populating with this is a matrix. We have to matrix back and urgency. We need to populate this one. So in this here information table has been given as mandatory. We can select this as mandatory with read only option as well. Right here, go your table. Here, go back in this tables. For this, okay, open this table. For then take a table. In the same way, we can open with incident. Any open any ticket, any record. Here you can see it has given priority, right, with read only. Here in this table, we can click, click on this table. Now we can select this as this column as read only. Here priority, click on this priority. This column here read only. We can make it as mandatory is not possible. It is possible, but it is automatically populating, right? That's why it is not I'm checking on this. Refresh and closing all these. I'm closing this. Just refresh this table. Below this. Slowly, the same way we can create and in the inside table we have assignment group and assembly. We create with two things. We create with things. Then take care of the no columns. Here we can select this for this instead, right? This is a reference tool. I can select as reference. Reference. Click on this. The reference we have selected. Label name is column label name. Give us this one assignment group. This one. Copy and paste on this table. It is here. Sorry. Typing here. Some group. So when you select this reference, right, save it once. we need to get the reference for which table we are referring, right? Here we can use this underscore user underscore 0 this one set. The same way we can create assign to. Just go back. We will create a column. Click on the new assign to, right? Assign to with the reference. So in this reference specification, we need to select the table. This is transport. Go down here. So this is user table. Right. And go back here, show form once. We got this, right? This one in progress, state, and impact, high, critical. As main group, we can select from this as main group, any group, assign to any table manager. This, and here the instance table up to this have created, right? And short description is mandatory. Here, this for this description, the same text we need to create with maximum length. So here I'll create this description in this tables. So also go back. Also go back. Create with the new field. In the previous video, we have created a short description, right? In the same way, now we can create description. In the description, the same thing. Select this string, the description, just here. Click as something 3000 or 4000 there. Save it. Now go back. Let us see how it has been created. So description maximum length maximum 4000 can be as per your requirement. And let me see other options, right? In the next video, or you can able to create combine the first part and second part with the form layouts, all those things. As of now, we have created with the second part. We can combine with in a single record. We can write this the first part for this one and this one in the same page. Right. The other instance has been lost. That's why I'm creating with the new table the second part. And the form layouts designs, we can see how to expand this short description and description with like this in this way. And so here the next one you can use the other options. Here is Let me show this. Then take care. Here, let me open this data types. Here, just click on the type. Here we have different options. I'll show you these options as well. This one is like a true or false, like it is active or inactive kind of things. Once you select this, right, you can able to write this column label as active. Just check this. True or false. Save this. And the form, you can see this one. Refresh this page like this, true or false. And the next one is, let me see, that is, go back here, go back, and let me show you this, some more things. Here we have a lot of things: date, time, date and time. Date is kind of only date shows, date and time is along with the date it shows the time. And process completed. And next, click on the next. List we'll see in the next video. General list. And price we can see is kind of things, shows the text with dollar symbols, euro symbol, all kind of things. And list we'll see later. And we'll see now as well. List is icons, reference is completed, string is completed. You can see the reference list. This one. You can see the list. And approvers, save it once. And to save it, we select the this Williams is as for user. Save this. We save this form. Read this. We have approvers. Next, select the users, box, insert the users over here. Select the list. And consider one more and log it. So we have selected three things, right? Here we can see we can admin as well, admin the things. List view as working like this, active, and the state impact urgency priority assignment group assigned to description. This and all completed, right? So please, I'm stopping here. Please subscribe to my channel. Here that is Vardhan Technologies. This one you can get an alerts. I can upload more videos as per your encouragement. So go to this channel and subscribe this one. Right, this is Vardhan Technologies. You can say please like, share, and subscribe right in here. properties. Right. So I'm stopping here. Let me stop this. I'm closing on this.